there were 3 girls, Shania, Ramesa, and Shadia. They all cared for the environment, the pollution, climate change, and natural disasters, making sure that everybody was living without struggling. Without making any further damage to this planet, they made sure that they were the change.
What a nice day.
It would be better if the plastic was not here.
True.
The reason behind this is
Plastic Bag Factory. It's literally so smoky just because of pollution.
Listen everyone, did you know that there is an island just as big as France that's polluted? We must change the way this works.
Yes, 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 yes!
come outside and tidy up.
Stop now. Get back to work. I need my money.
No, no, no! You are one, we are lots. You need to be taught a lesson.
Get these off me. Plastic bags.
Let's turn these plastic bags into books.
Let's get to work. Wow, look at these books.
Incredible invention.
That's amazing.
Clean beach, no pollution.